What's up guys, my name's Mila and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I wanted to do like a super summer dewy look, okay girl? If you guys didn't know, I have super dry to normal skin. Summer, super dry, not really normal, dry, desert dry, like so for me, I absolutely love the sweaty, dewy, hot mamacita look, which is what I created today, honey. I also use a lot of tips and tricks from Plouise, so if you guys have not seen any of their lives, do it because they're totally worth it. And of course, the last thing, I did like a cute summer hot yummy eyeshadow look. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Let's get started. Okay, so I just prepped my eyes with the Plouise base in shade 5. I'm not a shade 5, it's a little dark on me, but you know what? I can still deal with it. Using the Plouise palette, I'm going to be going in with Burnt. Going in with my Luxie 205 brush, I am just packing this all on my crease, creating a rainbow shape. I'm going to go in with a little bit more Burnt. And now I'm just going in circular motions. Again, sticking with that rainbow shape. Rainbow shape. I remember that. Cleaning out my brush with my switching pan by Ulta. Going in with Sun Kiss. And then lightly packing that color on top of Burnt. Still having it in the same rainbow shape. Going in soft circular motions. Cleaning up our brush one last time. I'm going to be going in with Plouise. And now I'm buffing Plouise onto Sun Kiss. Now I got that little sunset effect going on, okay? I definitely want to add some more onto the crease and to the outer corner. I'm going to be going in with Martini and Contour using my Morphe M443 brush. Just packing this pretty burgundy, darkish vampire look color. Getting some more product. Continue packing this color. And then taking it above the crease. Because we do want it to pop when we cut the crease. Using my Plouise base, this is the OG shade, the first one they came out with, using a flat brush by Ulta. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut this crease. Working in small sections. I'm going to go a little past the midway point. I'm going towards the end. I'm just going to blend that towards the center of my lid. And then I'm going to pack it. Going back with my Morphe M433 brush, I am just going to blend the remaining product onto the concealer. Just so it gets like a nice little ombre blend right there. You know, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of Contour Martini, tap out the excess, and just pack it onto the end, and then blending it towards the concealer. Going in with my MAC Fix Plus spray. Spray this baby. Using my Morphe M210 brush, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with 24K from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. And I'm just packing this color onto the first half of my cut crease. And now I'm going in with Syn Cosmetics in Bond. This is like a bronzy. I'm gonna go more bronzy. I'm gonna pack that right in the middle. Blending it with 24K. And then blending it towards Martini and Contour. Grabbing a little bit more of 24K. And just blending that with Bonded. Grabbing my brush that I used to blend Contour and Martini and just blending that. I didn't grab any extra product, I just grabbed the brush and I'm just blending that with Bonded. I just want to let you guys know to make sure to take your time when packing onto your concealer because you don't want to mess up and then you don't want to go outside where you concealed and it's just a hassle. So just take your time packing. Especially if you're new, like don't rush. Take your time or else you're gonna fuck up, you're gonna hate it, and you're gonna do it all over, or you're just not gonna wanna do it all over. So I know I look a little scary right now, but I learned this method from the Plouise live tutorial, and I'm just applying some of their Rumour base, and right now I'm buffing it out. I applied it with my flat concealer brush from Ulta, the one that I used to cut my crease, and now I'm just blending out any harsh lines I have with a Luxie brush, or you could just use any clean blending brush, and I am just buffing it out like this. I never did this technique, so hopefully it does good in my favor. But I look kind of funny, huh? It's okay. Okay, now I'm gonna re-pat it. Pat, 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 pat. That way it's nice and tacky. So I don't get like a little white overcast going on over there. I'm gonna go ahead and grab Plouise and pack this baby onto my lower lash line. Going from corner all the way to corner, dragging it down. I'm gonna drag it pretty low actually. Okay. What you do to one side, we're gonna go ahead and do to the other. With the same brush, I'm gonna get Sun-Kissed and Burnt mixed together. And I'm gonna blend that even closer to my lash line. Pretty much copying everything we did on the top, and we're doing it to the bottom. Cleaning out my Morphe M210 brush. I'm gonna go ahead and mix Martini and Contour and put that on literally on my lash line, like literally on top of my lash line. I also went ahead and added Bestie because I wanted to make it a little bit more darker. So I'm using Contour, Martini, and Bestie. Mixing those shades together. And applying that like literally on my lash line. For my lashes, I'm gonna go in with Runway. These are the lashes that I am gonna be selling soon. I'm so excited. They will most likely be launching at the end of August. I have made about 10 pairs. I'm so excited to show you guys. I look fucking crazy right now, crazy. Okay, so I already applied my lashes and mascara. Kind of went ahead of myself and I forgot to put moisturizer. So the moisturizer I'm gonna use is my all-time favorite Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. Duh, because I always use it. How am I gonna forget? Using my favorite primer right now, especially for the summer, is the Smashbox Primerizer. I'm so sad that they got rid of the hydrating primer, which was a blue one. They discontinued it and brought out this one and the water primer. But still, I absolutely love the other one just as much as I like this one. So first thing I'm gonna do is conceal under this whiteness using my Mineralizer concealer by MAC. And I'm just gonna apply it right there. Not too near my eyeshadow, but just close enough. And I'm gonna grab my beauty blender and just pretty much buff out all the white shit. Ha ha ha. And this too I learned from Plouise. Although they like to use brushes for sanitary purposes when they work on their models, but since this is just wah, I am just gonna use my beauty blender. Although, let me bring you guys closer. See how like there's like a little gap going on right here? I'm gonna go in with my clean Luxie brush and I am just gonna buff that down. I'm gonna go pretty close to my shadow, but I'm buffing it down. Just like that. The base totally intensified my highlight as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave that alone. Oops, excuse me. And go in with my Mineralizer foundation by MAC Cosmetics. And I'm just gonna apply this right below right eye concealer, and of course on my motherfucking forehead. Sorry, on my forehead. Trying to work on my cursing because I think I mentioned it before, my son's at the age where he's learning and he's copying everything that we're saying. Luckily he hasn't copied any bad word from me, but he's definitely learning from school. So with the foundation, I don't have to bring it too up because then we will have to add concealer again and we don't want to do that. So I'm just blending it down. And if I have to, I'll go back with my clean Luxie brush and I'll just blend the concealer and the foundation but going down. And I'm also taking this yellow bond. And then we cannot forget the forehead, guys. Cannot, won't not. Cannot. I'm all about beauty blenders, dude. This is life. Vida. There you go. So as you guys can see, like I'm already looking like super hot and dewy. Yes, give it to me. Because I do have dry skin, I love looking dewy. Like, give it to me. Now, going back with my Mineralize concealer. Why was that such a tongue twister? Go ahead and highlight everything else that I want to highlight, except my under eyes because I already did that. Now I'm just patting this bad boy away. Make sure you guys get your nose right in the crease. I always see girls forget that. It just kills me. It kills me. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and go up. Right there, honey. Top. So we definitely don't want certain areas to move. So we are gonna add some translucent powder. I'm going in with Laura Mercier and my Morphe G35 brush. And I am just gonna pat that anywhere where I feel like I'm not gonna crease. And you know what I absolutely love about this technique is that you don't crease. Like you don't get that crease from your concealer because there's no concealer going underneath the eye because your shadow's there. So it's like freaking amazing. I'm still looking dewy as you guys can see. Like, oh my god, I love this foundation. My other go-to dewy foundation is the Maybelline Fit Me and Dewy, which is this one. I don't know if you guys can see it right, but it's like the red label dewy. Dewy and smooth, and I am a shade 310, although I'm darker because it's summer, so I get dark. So I'm not going to contour my skin necessarily, but I am gonna bronze, which is another technique that they do for the Plouise. They don't contour, but they bronze. Or that's how they contour. And I'm just going in with my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. And I'm just bronzing my face using the Morphe M142 brush. And we're just gonna dust this lightly onto our hairline. Lightly on our nose. So I'm going again with the Makeup Addiction Cosmetics in Bronzified. And I am mixing that with Yass by Artist Couture. And I am just highlighting. Oh yes, give it to me, honey. Now I'm looking super dewy and bronzy. Yes. Yes, literally, yes. Okay, so for my nose only, I'm gonna go in with Yass. Because if not, it's gonna look too bronzy on my nose, and my nose is already dark. So just Yass. Hit the temples as well. The temples, honey, can never forget about the temples. Going in with some Morphe Mist Spray. Love it! Gonna hit my lips with some Myth by MAC. Going in with my NYX Ombre pencil, or I don't know what this is. But it's like double, one's a liner, one's like the lip stick-ish. I'm just gonna add some of the darker shade in the middle of my lips. Oh Yeah. Alright guys, so this is my summer dew look. I have absolutely dry skin, so being dewy is my all-time fave. And I'm also feeling this super duper summery eyeshadow look going on. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope you guys love this tutorial as much as I did. This is honestly, like, no joke, one of my fave looks right now, like, for the summer 2018. That's my fault. Anyways, if you guys love this tutorial, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you want, give a comment down too. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go do that. And if we aren't friends on my other social media, which is Snapchat and Instagram, because those are the only social medias that I'm super active on. Facebook I got, but I'm not really on it like that. But that's about it. Gotta get to work. If not, I'm gonna be late. So, see you next time.